first things I do whenever I enter into a new city, provided that I'm not tired, is to walk around town. I get to see how the place functions, I get to feel the energy of the space and also listen to the sounds of the streets. I'm in Accra, Ghana right now, and I just thought to tag you along as I do my waka about. I'm in Accra's biggest market. It's called Kantamanto, and you can literally find anything here just like every other big market, from clothing to food to electronic devices to just about anything. Okay, you must have seen this behind me before. This is the Accra Lighthouse. Of course, you know what a lighthouse is. It's directly facing the Jamestown beach, and there's a whole history during the slave trade era behind this. And if you want to know more of those stories, I've put some links in the description below from people who may have visited and heard all of those stories before. So yeah, for your pleasure. This beach is divided like visually into two different colors. From here to like the middle over there, it's like it's brown, and the other part is blue. This is not where people come for leisure or anything. It's just a local community here. People don't jump into this water because it's really dirty. By the way, if you look at the building at the back over here, that used to be the slave prison. That's where they will put all the humans they capture before they transfer them into the room I showed you earlier and then into the sea for export. It's a very devastating experience. Maybe I will do another video regarding that, and I'm not about to make this an emotional one, but if you want to watch immediately, I've put some links in the description from people who may have visited this place before and shown all the inside. It's terrible. I am now at the fishermen's village. This is the entire community by the ocean. This is where they get all the fish from. It's not a very big community, but it's very, very functional. I'm now at the Ghanaian Supreme Court of Appeal. If it's the Supreme Court of Appeal, does that mean it's the highest court in the land? I'm sure you know this structure already. You must have seen it online or somewhere. Don't mind, there's some people having like a photo shoot over there. I think it's a pre-wedding shoot or something. Anyway, this is the Black Star Square. In other countries, this might be their own Independence Square. That's space where you used to commemorate your Independence Day and all of that. And this is the popular Black Star icon. And then to my right is the National Stadium over there. It's a very beautiful space all around. So this is me at the top of the Independence Arc. That was what I was showing you from downstairs. I'm at the top now, and this is the Black Star Square. Look at how beautiful it is from here. Gorgeous, man. So this great man here brought me to come and see this space. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. What's your name, sir?
Lakute.
His name is Mr. Lakute. So if you come by around here, ask for him. You know, it's the one that...
Next time I'll call myself Dangote.
Dangote. I'm now at the Accra National Theatre. Look at that dope structure. Okay, it's really dark already, but I thought to show you this last building. This is the World Trade Center in Accra. This one over here, and then they have the Export Trade Center. That's it, that one over there, and a lot of really nice buildings around here. Okay, so this is where I'm going to be stopping it for today. Thank you so much for following me around Accra and to witness the beautiful structures and places they have around. There's still so much to cover, but this is all I could do for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share if you enjoyed it. You know, anything you need to do to help the ministry, please do. Catch me on the next one. Bye.